Hi, my name is Abby Beck, and I am a Student Success Coach at Spoon River College. Today, I'd like to go over how to access and use your student email account. First, go to the college's webpage at www.src.edu. In the right-hand corner, you will see a link for student email. Click this link to begin entering your login information. Your standard email username is your first name, last name at my.src.edu. Here is an example for john.doe at my.src.edu. Your standard password is the first two letters of your first name with the first letter uppercase and the first two letters of your last name with the first letter uppercase, and then the last four of your social security number. Once you've logged on, you can immediately view your inbox. If you'd like to create a message, click the Compose button. After clicking Compose, the new message dialog box will appear. Enter the recipient's email address, the subject for the email, content, and attach any documents that you may need to before clicking Send. Through your SRC student email account, you also have access to all of Google's apps. For instance, if you go up to the top right-hand corner and click on Google Apps, you will find Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and much more. Just for a moment, let's further explore Google Docs. There are many advantages to using Google Docs. For one, it's cloud-based, meaning that you can access your documents from anywhere that you have internet access. Secondly, you don't have to worry about saving your documents to a jump drive or making sure you email yourself the latest version. Lastly, it's important to get into the habit of checking your inbox regularly. You may be receiving emails from your academic advisors, from financial aid and information about scholarships, emails from your instructors, or even information on college-wide events. If you have any questions regarding your student email account, please contact your Student Success Coach.